Hello YouTube. As you can see, I am facing some issue while running on my application. In my application, actually, I use the room database. And let's see our class first. So this is my class where I'm actually creating one table, local table called notes, and this is my model, how the data should be stored in the notes. And here I'm using something called the createdAt and the updatedAt. So this will take the current timestamp from my local machine and store the data with that current timestamp. So you see here the error messages cannot figure out how to save this property into the database. You can consider adding the type converter for it. If I show you here in the utils folder, I already created this converters class. So which like type converters from timestamp, it will pass the value and then change the value according to the parameter you have set in your note or your model class. So but this one I have created here, but I didn't define in my, I didn't define or I didn't pass it to my database class. So what I need to do is I need to go to my Node database. In my case it's Node database. In your case it can be anything where you are actually creating the instance for your database, local database. So here you need to pass this one as a type converter, actually type converter, and then you need to define the name of your class. In my case it's converters.class. Okay, so now if you run your application, so all your data will go through this converters. So whenever it finds the date, it will set the date according to your model class as per your definition. Okay, now my application is running very well, no issue, just because I added my converter class to my Node database. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.